Nested triangles. A smaller triangle drawn within one or more larger triangles. Nested triangles are when one larger triangle contains one or two smaller triangles. There are two important cases. Both start with a right triangle. First, consider a right triangle oriented with one of its legs as the base. Parentheses. Remember, the legs of a right triangle are attached to the right angle, and the hypotenuse is opposite or across from the 90-degree angle. End parentheses. If a line is drawn perpendicular to the base leg up to the hypotenuse, then a new, smaller right triangle, parentheses proportional, end parentheses triangle, is formed inside the existing right triangle for a total of two right triangles sharing a vertex. The second case is more complicated, where a right triangle is oriented with the hypotenuse down as the base. This orientation puts the right angle up at the top. If a line segment is drawn from that 90-degree vertex straight down so that it intersects the base hypotenuse at a 90-degree angle, then two smaller 90-degree or right triangles are formed inside of the larger overall 90-degree triangle. These three triangles are similar, parentheses proportional, end parentheses. Because both of these cases of nested triangles create similar triangles, proportions, parentheses, two fractions put equal to each other, end parentheses, can be used to solve for any one missing side length. Geometry teachers love these two cases because of the interesting relationships formed. One or two right triangles inside of another right triangle are called nested triangles. Related words: similar, congruent, legs of a right triangle, hypotenuse of a right triangle, 90-degree angle, right angle, proportional, proportion.